This is Romeo. Romeo is a beautiful lovebird. Hi, Romeo. Hi, Romeo. Hi. Hi, Romeo. We have Romeo and Juliet. Juliet's down here on her fake eggs, being a mama. Those are all fake. Every one of them are fake. Yep, she's doing her job. All fake eggs. Hi, Romeo. Hi, baby. I gotta go clean my craft room now. You guys all got your eggs, and cage has been clean, and you got fresh seed, and I give them both parakeet seed and bigger birds, like right there is papaya, nuts, things like that. They get both. Yeah. Good stuff, huh? Yeah. Yep. Hi, Romeo. So cute. And we got to see the parakeets over here eating eggs this morning. They all love eggs. Eggs is yummy. Of course. Oh, usually he's looking in the mirror at himself. Yep, that's Stormy. Always looking at himself. Oh, and there's Pineapple. Pineapple always got to be in the camera. Yep, Pineapple always got to be in the camera. And then we got Sapphire, Olive, Titan, and Angel feeding each other. Back there I gave them yams yesterday, so Sapphire got yam face. Yep, got yams on your face, Sapphire. And there's Olive up there. Sky flying around. And over here, if I can find her, where is she at? Our baby of the family, Miss Tweety. Hi, Miss Tweety. You enjoying your new toy? We had it for Allie, but she just never played it. So we gave it to Tweety. Tweety plays with everything, huh? Tweety eats everything. Tweety plays all the toys. Of course, she's the baby. She's not even a year till April 10th. So she's the baby. Yeah. And she gets into everything, just like babies do. Yep. And then we have Pineapple, who loves being the star of the show. And then Boo, you hear up here. Mr. Boo. Hello, Boo. Hello, Boo. Hello, Boo. Did you eat all your nuts out of your bowl? Yeah, looks like almost all the nuts are gone. You ate almost all your nuts already? You're a nutty bird that likes nuts. Yep. What'd you get? Look, he's like, look in there. I had nuts in there. It looked like he picked all the nuts out. You silly boy. Then Miss Allie, she loves playing in the chair. Allie, what are you doing, Allie? Oh, you don't chair in my chair, Allie. Get over here. Get over here. Come over here. Miss Allie. We've got to cover up the chair because she likes to tear the chair up. Miss Allie, we tell you all the time, don't chair my chair. $500 chair and you're going to tear it up. Make me reupholster it. Uh-huh. Calm your little butt down. Yes, Pineapple. Always in the... Huh. Yeah. You know Mama not scared of you, right? Mama not even scared of you. No. No, I'm not. I still respect you because you got your mouth open. I know what that means. But you're not going to bite Mama, huh? I just still be careful. Bigger birds, we're careful around our grandkids. I trust Allie, but I won't completely trust her, just like any animal. Because that beak right there, that can do some major damage. Major damage, yes. And Boo's beak's already drew blood. Boo got a big beak too, huh? Yeah. And Boo does bite. So we gotta be careful. He didn't used to bite all the time. But it's this time of year, so their hormones are worked up, and he's frustrated, so he's hormonal right now, so he's biting. But there's our birds. There's some of it, and we got Snow up here, who has look at her face. Look at her face. She got, well, we had yams yesterday. Day before we had pumpkin with their seeds, so... Yep, I got to get them another shower. Another shower. Yes, Pineapple gives herself a bath all the time. Okay, guys. I got to get busy. Finish my craft room. I'm working on it all week. Have a good day. Oh, there we go. See, he's looking in the mirror. Always looking at himself. Constantly talking, looking. You got a pumpkin face too, or a yam face, don't you? And these are the babies of the parakeets right here. It's baby blue and you stop that pineapple. Baby blue and I want to try Daisy. If we can get Daisy. There's Daisy. Okay, those two are the babies. Okay. All right, yes, and pineapple. Oh, pineapple. It's got to be the start. Pineapple, you can eat the phone. Hey, have a good day. Say goodbye, pineapple. Goodbye. Nod your head. Goodbye. Say yes. Goodbye. Goodbye. Nod your head. Nod your head. Nod your head. Tell them goodbye. Say goodbye. Yep, that's right. Say goodbye. 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 My little clown.